When we first get a plan for a home, we work with the architecture and we look at how the home is going to live and what kind of windows are going to be, what we're going to face down the road at the end of construction. How is this family going to live in this home? What do we need to do for privacy and what do we need to do for daily living? When it comes to Pella windows, we love the options that they present. We love that we have the flexibility to do a lot of different things, combining that function with the aesthetic, and it's a win-win.
Clients do expect quality products and they do recognize the brand names. We have been using Pella products since I built my first home. It is always a big question, what type of windows do you do? For new old clients coming on, and it is something that we never cut back on. Pella definitely gives us advantage. When we mention it, there's no question about what type of window that we're putting in the home, and then it's on to the next subject.
What we've totally enjoyed working with Pella is the customer service that we get. Pella's provided the support that we need as an industry to help our clients live their beautiful life.
With Pella, we find everything we need to bring that character to life. Pella makes it easy.